Ayanda Mabula arrested at JSE while displaying his latest artwork. Controversial artist Ayanda Mabula was arrested on Wednesday afternoon while showing his latest artwork outside the JSE. Mabula's spokesperson, Saifa Kima, said he was being held at the Morningside police station. Oliver Met said on Facebook that the relaunch of Mabula's new artwork comes after Constitution Hill allegedly refused to showcase it. The rejection from Constitution Hill motivated Ayanda to go bigger with the unveiling of his new artwork. He found a perfect new home for his painting at the Stock Exchange, JSE. His painting has been inspired by the hold white monopoly capitalism has had on South Africa, namely the Steinhoff saga. Mabula caused a stir at the FNB Art Fair in September and his work was removed because it was deemed offensive. The artwork showed Nelson Mandela superimposed on a Nazi swastika image. He has also painted an explicit artwork of former President Jacob Zuma sitting on Nelson Mandela's lap. Much of Mabula's artwork contains graphic sexual imagery.